right, what we're gonna do today is we're gonna do a burnout video. It's gonna be how to do a burnout 101. You're home, you got, COVID-19 running around the country, you're all quarantined at home, you got a stay-at-home order, you can't do anything. Go outside, get in your car, in your driveway, and do a burnout. All right, first thing, in your car. Second, start your car. Third thing, if you got traction control, turn off the traction control. Fourth thing, release the handbrake. From here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna push the clutch in, I'm gonna rev it up, make sure your car's warmed up, we pre-warmed. You're gonna rev it up to about 6 grand. Dump the clutch, then you're gonna get your left foot off the clutch onto the brake pedal, but not too hard.
That was not the tires.
And then you can just kind of modulate the brake and the gas pedal to get the proper burnout technique.
Run, Forrest, run!
Are you ready, Ed? All right, I like to start off in second gear.
That's how consistent the throttle is right now. It's very smooth.
I'm at like 5,400.
You can't see it at all, but there we go. Look at that. That's a good burnout.
When doing a burnout like this, it creates a lot of smoke. And that tire smoke has actually been shown to kill COVID-19. What you want to do, if you want to start moving forward, you can lay your foot off the brake slightly. Keeping the throttle, we're not bouncing off the rev limiter. You don't want to bounce off the rev limiter. Because if you bounce off the rev limiter, you can blow up your engine. Don't be this guy. This is another fail.
Can you blow up?
Basically what we're saying is, you want to be more like this guy. We're going to slow it on down a little bit. We're going to keep it going though. We're done.
Just like that.
That's all it is. It's very simple.
Just release your foot off the brake, roll out of it. Don't go crazy on the exit. You see, this is why Mustangs hit people at car shows.
So concludes our lesson of how to do a burnout. I just wanted to talk a little bit to you guys about the euphoric effect this has on the soul and the endorphins that are released. Okay, I mean, it's so therapeutic, you know? I mean, honestly, it just will put a huge smile on your face. So go out, do a burnout, don't bounce it off the rev limiter, or else you'll be bringing your car to us to have it built. But go have fun, and make sure you got a crappy set of tires for it. All right, we're out.